Struggling to manage your events? Balancing event planning, ticket sales, and attendee management can be quite challenging. But is there a way to ease that burden? Meet Ticketly, a comprehensive platform that empowers event organizers to create, manage, and sell tickets effortlessly. Anywhere, at any time. How it works? Ticketly functions through a cloud-native microservices architecture. Operates on AWS for reliable cloud services. Allows independent scaling of services. Supports development of specific services like event management, ticketing, and payment processing. Enhance your event management and streamline ticket sales. All in one place, with one powerful tool. Enhanced scalability allows for growth without performance issues. Reduced technical debt leads to more maintainable code and lower long-term costs. Faster feature delivery means quicker time to market for new updates. Ability to adapt quickly to market changes ensures competitiveness. Sounds exciting? Ticketly. Sign up today and transform your event experience. Sign up.
Welcome to Ticketly. Let's see how we can create an amazing event with Ticketly. First, you need to log in. In here, you can enter your username, password, or log in with your Google account. I'll just log in with my Google account. Then, you have to click this Create Event button. The system will recognize that you are a new user and prompt to create your organization. So, I'll just create my organization. So, in order to create an event, first you need to have an organization. So, let's upload a cover photo for our organization. Okay, now it's perfect. Now let's see how we can create an amazing event with Ticketly. Before I create an event, I want to build a reusable venue template for my favorite hall. I'll head over to Seating Layouts in the sidebar. This is my layout library. I'm going to create a new one. First, let's give it a name so we can find it later. We call it Grand Hall. Great. Now let's build the room. On the left in the toolbox, I have my building blocks. I'll start by adding non-sellable block. This is our stage. We can just drag this up to the top. Perfect. Next, we need some seats. I'll grab the seated block from the toolbox. This default is 10 by 5. I want to make it 12 columns wide. I'll just change the columns to 12 and save. You can see the grid updates instantly. Let's grab this right below this stage. Finally, this venue has a standing area in the back. I'll add a capacity block. Let's set the capacity for this area for 50 people and save. Let's just call it standing so it's clear. Save. Alright, this looks like a great template. I've got my stage, my seated section, and the standing row. I'll hit save layout up here. And just like that, it saved my library. If I click back on seating layouts, there it is, Grand Hall. Now I can use this template for any event I create, which is going to save me a ton of time. Let's head over to the Create Event page. Alright, step 1, the basics. First, a killer cover photo to grab attention. Next, we have the event name, a category, short description. Now for the main event description. I can type it all out or I can use this nifty AI generator. I'll just add a few keywords and generate. Tickets. Every event need price points. I'll edit this default tier first. Let's rename it to general and set the price to 1000 rupees. And pick a nice green color. Save. And now I need a VIP option. I'll click add new tier. This one is VIP and we'll price it at 5000 rupees. Perfect. General and VIP tiers are set. Step 3. Scheduling. This event will run for 3 consecutive Saturdays instead of adding them one by one. I'll use add recurring sessions tool. I want it to repeat every 1 week and I need 3 total sessions. The first session will be on Saturday, October 25th. Start time, let's make it 9 p.m. and it's a long 6 hours. Ticket sales should start a bit earlier. Okay, generate those sessions. Great. The location. I'll configure the first one. And since all 3 sessions are at the same venue, I'll just check apply to all sessions and done. Step 4. Seating configurations. Let's select the first session. Now remember that grand hall template we made and select grand hall. Time to assign our tiers. First, I'll select the general admission tier over here. Then click on the standing block. Done. Now select VIP tier and click the seated grid. I'll use apply to all to assign VIP to all seats in seated grid. Looks good. But maybe I want to reserve a few seats. Perhaps for a band family? I'll switch to reserve seats mode. Select first row. Those seats are now blocked off. Perfect. Let's confirm these assignments. And since layout and assignments are same for the all 3 nights, I'll click apply to all physical sessions. This will save some clicks. Alright, step 5, discounts. This is where we can add some special offers to boost sales. First, I'll click create discount. Let's make an early bird code. We'll use percentage type and this one 5% off. But let's set some conditions. It only applies if they spend at least 2000 rupees and the maximum discount is capped at 1000 rupees. Plus, we'll limit only the first 15 people can use it. And yes, make it public so everyone can see it. Okay, one down. Let's add another. Simple flat off discount. Let's click create discount again. And for the last one, let's do that buy and get 10 free offer. Let's click create discount. I won't make it public. Maybe it's special for our sponsors. Let's click create. Perfect. 3 discounts. Each with different rules. All set up. The final check. Here's the summary of everything. Event details, different ticket tiers, 3 sessions with dates and times, the venue, the city map assigns, and our 3 discounts. It all looks fantastic. Time to send it off for approval. Click submit event and confirm.
Let me show you how to book a ticket from our system. So first of all, you have to log into our system. I have already signed up, so I'm gonna log in. Okay, so in here you can see you can also find event from categories. There are some trending events currently going on. So I like to go and explore all the events. So these are the events within events currently available in every category. So so I like to go with this Aston Martin review. This is the description provided by the organizer. So there are like three categories for the tickets with the different pricings, and there's a 50% of all tickets current provided by organizer. So there's only one session for this event. So I have already subscribed this session. So subscribe means like if there are any kind of update, you will notified by email. So I like to go and buy a ticket. Here, this is the location provided by the organizer. So this is the seating arrangement also. So these are reserved by the organizer, maybe for guests. Maybe for guests. So these are the available categories of tickets. So I like to buy 2 tickets from VIP, and also there is a discount available. So I like to apply it to my order and proceed to checkout. Now I have to enter my card payment details to proceed the payment. Then my email, phone number, and the full name. So then complete the payment. Okay, now I have completed the payment. This is my receipt, but I like to go and show you. This is the page. You can see all the orders you have completed before. From view details, you can see event order informations and the event informations, and also you can see ticket details from here. That's how you can buy a ticket from our platform. Thank you.
Okay, now let's explore what are the analytics that Ticketly provides for an organization. Let's go to your organization dashboard by clicking right here. In this organization dashboard, you can see your total revenue gained by all events for your organization. Then in here, we can see also the total revenue and total gross revenue. And we can see the total discounts that we have given, and number of sessions and number of events, and number of views that our system getting, and number of unique viewers right there. And in here we can see our sales velocity, how the revenue generated within past days, and how the tickets have sold. And when it goes to an event, this organization has a set of events. Let's go to this Brazilian event to see what are the analytics that we have for an event. For the event also, we can see this welcome bar with what are the sessions and discounts and so on. Then we can see analytics section. So this section will provide a summary of net revenue and gross revenue we made, and sales performance, and how much capacity that we have sold, and how much views this event particularly getting. And in here we can say what is the revenue history for this event. And in this section we can say a breakdown of sold versus unsold tickets for each tier. And we can say a breakdown of sales by ticket type. Then we also can see the views distribution for these events and where are the users viewing your event. So in bottom, we can see a session performance section with a summary of revenue, discounts, and tickets sold per each session. Into the sessions section, we can just do basic CRUD operations on sessions. When it goes to a session, there is also a set of analytics that we provide per session. So they are just same as what we saw for event, but this time specified for a special session. And then we have a order section. So this section is pretty straightforward to show the set of orders that the system is getting. And then we have discount section. So in here we can say some analytics about discounts, total discounts, discount usages, and most used discount code. And here we can see a pie chart about discount usage. And in here, bottom down here, we can see what are the set of discounts that we have. We can just activate them, deactivate them, and so on.